All right, everybody, welcome to Longhorn Classic. We're having a beautiful day here today. It is Friday. Yeah, Friday, May 17th. We got just less than a month, actually a month left to take in birds. So if you haven't got your birds in yet, get them in. Here we have groups 5 and 6. They get to go into the aviary. Here we have groups 1 through 4. We went through one by one and found the birds that are missing, and we marked them lost. So everybody could send replacements. You have a month to do that. So anyway, that's what's going on here. We'll go on to show you what we do when we check the birds in. I'm gonna go a little bit over the check-in process. The second day the birds are here. The first day we just put them in, we check them in our logbook, and we put them in the individuals over here, food and water so they could rest, eat and drink all they want overnight. So anyway, here's the process. We'll go through it. Get a bird, we double check the band, GPF 4248. Find it on our list here, click on it. Then we couple a chip. And we put it on the bird. Then we're gonna cut. It's 9th and 10th flight, about an inch. We do this now so we don't have to catch the birds later just to cut the flights. Later we'll catch them just to pull them, because it's quite a process to go ahead and catch over 1,000 pigeons. Do our PMV roto. Then we're going to do our do the pox. And then after the pox, then we do the external parasite oil. That's it. Then they go into their first section in the loft where it's all the birds that came in this week. Then they go into a clean out section, which then they are allowed to go out on the landing board in the aviary. And then after that, then they go into the main group. And then they start going out to locate. But anyway, please, again, check your inventories. If you sent birds already, we inventoried groups 1 through 4, and we marked all the birds that aren't here lost, so you could send replacements. You got 1 month to send in birds and replacements. So that's it at the Longhorn Classic. Everybody have a great weekend. Thank you very much.